What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and today we have a little different style video. We are at farm. This is where we've been staying. Those are our two windows up there, and we'll show you around a little bit, and yeah. So first, we're going to show you some of these cows in the distance. They have two different things of cows. One's inside and there's some that are outside. The ones over here are raised for beef, meat, and then the ones inside are for milk. So there's cows. That's the feeding area over there with the shade. Now let's head back and show you the cows that are inside. White building in front of us, that is like a refrigerator and the trash can. Right here is like a little workshop area, I think. Yeah, so I think this might have used to be an outhouse, because this was built in, I think, 1896, so it's very old. Alright, so this is a workshop, like I said, and then in here is some more cows. Alright, here are the cows. Yeah, so this morning I milked Effie, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know if we'll be able to find her, but I think it might be that one right there. Yeah, I think it is that one. It was just a black and white cow, but yeah, I don't know which one it is, but there's a chicken right there, and then a dog that his name is Scooby. And then there are a lot of cats all over the place as well. Alright, so next we'll go to, look, there's another cat. His name's Rizzo. But next, I guess we'll go up here. This is where they keep a bunch of hay. And Scooby's here also. But where they keep a bunch of hay. Here is where there are some chicken feed and some cat food. Some fresh basil or onion right here. Alright, so next, let's see the goats. Alright, and out in the view, I don't know if you can see this, are cornfields. All the goats are pregnant and are expecting a kid very soon. Alright. Alright, so here they are. This one is the oldest right here, but all of them are expecting to have a baby very soon. And so next I think we'll show you the chicken coop. And the dog is following us around, but he's very fun to play with. Alright, so the chickens are mostly scattered all over the place, but then sometimes right here. I don't know where they are currently. There's a chicken coop over there, but I don't know if there are any in there because I leave the door open so they can just roam. And we found 2 eggs this morning. And this used to be like a dairy plant, or like where they made a bunch of dairy, but now they don't because I don't know. Alright, so I picked up a chicken this morning. There's one chicken in here now. Oh, there's some more. Yeah, early this morning we fed them, but there are a few there, and I'll show you another chicken coop, which is of the younger ones. The lighting isn't too great because it's very bright out, but right here are those chickens. They're younger chickens, I think. Let's any. Oh, none up there, but so there are the chickens. Oh my! All right, I just got jump scared so hard by the dog. The dog is scaring the chickens. Come on, Scooby. Yeah, I don't really know what he's doing. He's going nuts. Alright, I'm going to show you the ones through this little door right here.
Scooby! Scooby!
Right here they are. I'm going to close so they don't get scared and run out, but that's the chicken coop. There are a bunch that just run around. Pretty sure here's a huge tractor, tires bigger than me, and here. So that, oh look, there's another cat in front of us. And there's also a swing right here. And I'm gonna go grab a tennis ball and see if we can play catch with Scooby. I don't know if he'll fetch it, but I'll see when I get the tennis ball. Alright, so I just found a tennis ball, and he might be tired because it's pretty hot out, and there's much shade, I don't think, but alright, Scooby. He might be tired. I played with him for a while in the morning, and then over there by that house there's a pond and a playground, and we're gonna go fishing there later today, and I'll let you guys know if we catch anything. But alright, I'll update you guys a little later. Alright, so we've been fishing for a little while and didn't work out too well. There's so much like moss or like wherever this stuff is in the lake that it's very hard to fish. So this is our first time, and it didn't work too well. But if you have any fishing tips, comment them in the comment section, because I want to go fishing again. I just don't know how. Really, besides like the basic stuff. But I think we're going on a carriage or like buggy ride, and if we do that, I'll let you guys know and show you what it looks like. Alright, so just a quick little update. We did a few buggy rides, and then we did multiple, and we stopped at a few farms and got some of those goodies. And so now I will give you a tour of our little room. And this cat is rolling its tail on me, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Alright, let's head in. So, there's a grand entry right here. There are 4 other bedrooms. We're right here. And so this is the first bedroom. It's a bed and breakfast, so we'll get breakfast tomorrow morning. And so here's bedroom number 1, a little coffee area and a little seat, and then behind this it's a little hallway. I think it's a little clear, and then right here is a little cubby for you to sleep in. It's small, but we'll both fit in it, we can each fit in it, and I'll sleep one night there, and my sister will sleep one night there also. Here is another bed where I will sleep. And then last is the bathroom. It's just a normal bathroom. So that is our room and farm tour, and I hope you enjoyed. You might see some pictures after this of us like maybe fishing, but if you didn't, sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you in the next one.